Hello everyone. Today we have a very useful video. If your phone is showing a stuck headphone icon at the top of your screen, even when nothing is plugged in, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to clean your audio port and reset your system to remove this annoying symbol immediately. Let's get started. First, take a small, dry, soft-bristled brush or a clean Q-tip. Gently insert it into your phone's physical headphone port and carefully brush around the inside walls. This step is crucial because pocket lint, dirt, and debris frequently get compacted deep inside the jack, tricking your phone's internal hardware sensors into thinking a headphone plug is currently connected. If you don't have a small brush, you can use a wooden toothpick to very carefully sweep out any visible lint, but always avoid using metal objects like paper clips that could permanently scratch the audio contacts. Next, grab a standard pair of wired headphones with a clean 3.5mm plug. Firmly insert the jack into your phone's port and then quickly pull it back out. Repeat this insert and eject motion rapidly about 10 to 20 times in a row. Doing this repeatedly helps dislodge any stubborn micro debris stuck on the internal pins and forces the tiny physical switch inside the port to properly snap back into its default position. Finally, press and hold the physical power button on the side of your phone. Wait for the power menu to pop up on your screen and tap on the restart or reboot option. Once the physical debris is cleared out, rebooting the phone wipes the temporary software cache and forces the Android operating system to completely rescan the audio hardware, which drops the stuck icon. If your phone doesn't have a restart button, simply choose Power Off, wait 10 seconds, and turn the device back on manually. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.